Yeah, I got my head hanging low, looking out the window, thinking about my pain, watching the rain. Yeah, I got my head hanging low, looking out the window, thinking about my pain, watching the rain. Yeah. I'm on the inside, looking out, but I'm looking in from the outside. Feel the inside out, wanna climb out like the lens. Wake up, rockin', take it out, but I think too much drive. So internally, I feel like I ride. This is like me, turn the seasons, I could hold my head up high. And if I said I remember happy days, that would probably be a lie. Face a smile, full of faces with all the texts I promise that I try. Even though I'm feeling low with the flow, I go trying to be present and cope. Dealing with the flows that flow in and out my mind. No why I feel like I wanna die inside, which I know that's not me, and I'm not ready to go to the other side just yet. Comfortability, stability, I'm trying to roll, cause it's a must to get before my anxieties will ever subside and let me breathe in depth. I know, but is it too deep? I guess I'll digress. Yeah, I got my head hanging low, looking out the window, thinking about my pain, watching the rain. Yeah, I got my head hanging low, looking out the window, thinking about my pain, watching the rain. Yeah, wonder if it ever will subside. Yeah, inside I cry. Yeah, all hours of the night I stay woke, wishing I control. Tears up on my pillowcase, faces I choke. On and out till I go, will I ever devise and help me wake cold? Or will be extreme low, eventually pull me towards my demise. Negative magnetism, pulling me in slow to a celestial prism. And no, keeps me living, I'm so gone, ready to go with any moment. If this is living, this ain't living. All I want in my heart and soul, living rise, vibrations on a higher level, rebel the skies. My heart hates me so, wishing I could rest in the light of her eyes. After my soul is gone and my spirit will rise, let the teardrops over the sides. Yeah.